Wow, may kamay.
Taas mo, wala ka na yung beat.
Tang. What? No! Ilan na lang? 6 hours? Sana all. Matapang storage. 6 hours. Ha? Doon ako sa kasi mag-1 tayo na abot ng hindi katulad ng dito ko kaya na ako tumataw. Kaya nga magbalak ang bag ng bago sa sunod sa hotbox. Tapos na akong storage yung magandang camera. Okay, wala kami mahuli. So I'm going to end this video namin. You see the fish there, man? Kagisan na all malaki. Can I catch it, man?
Hindi na pala kinentra.
Let's go! Just kidding. Alright, time for us to go now. I want to catch that big tilapia, man. Sana all malaking tilaplaps. Kaya gani. Sana all. Alright, let's go, man. So yeah, naghawak na lang ako ng cellphone ko kasi lapit na. You motherfucker, I'm going to catch you. I'm gonna catch you all. Damn, wala na ako bait. Jesus Christ, wala na ako bait. Fuck. I'm gonna catch you this time, you mad little piece of shit.
Hopefully you might get it.
Yeah, I'm going to get it, man. Oh. Man, I saw something right there, man. Okay, hold on. If I can catch it, new species unlocked for me. You know, like kabilis. I saw it, man, with my own eyes and my butt. Oh, okay. I'm going to take a seat and slide right here. Whoop. Okay. Okay, dito. Hopefully, that I'm going to catch. Hopefully. Please. Please, fishy. I'm begging you. Well, that's taking too long there, man. It's nothing. I'm going to catch you, you little piece of shit. I'm going to do it here. Right there. Oh, come on, come on. What the fuck, man? Jesus, see this shit, ubos. Damn. Okay, so now the challenge is really start, man. So it's somewhere right here. Nakita ko yan eh. Tinan lang natin yung linya. Pag nakila siya bigla, you know what I'm going to do. pull it out, hook it, and pull it out. Crap. Come on. I know you were somewhere, you little fucking piece of shit. It might be take time. Sheesh. Ay, konti na lang. A bit. Here I come. Whoa. Round 2. Fight! Yeah! Oh, the temperature is too high. I'm so sorry. Wow, may kamay.
Okay.
No!
Ay, ano? Sardine.
Sardine? What the fuck? Sayang! Fuck! Ako din na camera man anyway, man. Yay! Hold on for a sec. Ayusin ko muna ito. May yung udo. Hold on yun. So, ito na naman ang new spot. Actually, this is different spot. Ito yung that time yung nag-picnic kami ni Marv. So, we're here at Linek. I think. Oh yeah, Linek, tama. So now I'm going to catch kasi napansin ko na-try ko yung tali. And last time, naglipat kami kasi umulan. So hopefully, mahuli ako ng isda kahit isa lang for the sake of the content. If not, bye-bye. So kaya, please lang. Bite this goddamn worm and give it to me as an exchange. Op! Ay, malapit na lang. I can feel it. Yes, that's the best line for me. So for now, dito talaga banda, I'm going to catch it. Hello. Tignan mo buhok ko. Yes. Sa sobrang stress ko at pagod na nakahanap ng river just to catch some fish. And look what we found. Yes. By Marv's curiosity, kaya nakita na namin ito, place na to. So for now, hopefully na maghuli tayo. If not, this video is over. No fishing vlog na. Alright, let's go. Alright, I'm going to start fishing. And sabi daw ni Marv, meron daw dito. So hopefully na mahuli ko. Kung hindi, sapakin ko si Marv pag walang isda. Which means he's lying. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Okay, you're right. Dito na lang ako. Okay, you're correct, man. I thought you're lying. Come on, gimme. Ayun na guys, nahuli na namin. Fuck yes! Dalawang goby, putang ina nyo. Yan, goby yan. So anyway, at least contents is safe now and I'm going to continue fishing. Pati sa soon, yeah. Kita ko yung mga isda dyan, no? Somewhere dyan. Alright, fishing na kami.
Oh! Yeah. Man, pata na ako ang ulit. Malakan mo kagad, magkagat.
Tapos nakahuli ako ng isa. Dito. Oh! Sayang! Hindi ko napansin.
Sabi ko sa'yo, mabibilis ang isda dito.
Fuck!
Ito, si Carl. Siya ay masayang mamimili dito sa Di Mapatoy. Tingin lang nagdilap-dilap lang siya. Ay, dami ko na yung malaking...
Tago. Huwag muna, men. Men!
Gamitin mo na!
Men! Don't!
Load
Nasa yan!
Fucking hell. Kalahati lang man.
Still!
Pero ang huli mo lang maliit. No choice. Tulad naman ng tayo. Hope ng
Hey! Tilap-laps! Kala ko wala lang. Ang inang yan. Tilap-laps! At least nasa pisngi. I-release ko pa rin ito. Parang pwede ko na i-release ito. Sige na lang, hindi na lang natin i-release. Yay! Ano? Ate lap-lap. Pero maliit.
nasungkit sa mata.
Sa mata ba? Tinakalap?
Yan lang guys. Tilap-laps.
Ayan, tilap-laps ni Marv. Tamaan ba sa mata? Ay, oo. Uy, natapakan mo yung ano ko. Okay.
Sige natin.
Nice fishing spot pa, man. Ala! Grabe. What the fuck?
Tada!
Nice!
An aluwan.
Aluwan?
Shit, guys.
Aluwan talaga tawag yan? Parang killfish?
Yeah.
Killfish? Parang killfish?
Wee! Another one!
Nice! Tilaplaps.
Yay, guys! An aluwan.
That's not aluwan, that's tilapia.
Ay, tilapia. Tilap-laps. Wee! Another one!
Oh! Killfish nga. Ah, hindi, gobi.
Okay.
Gago, akala ko. Nabagsak, gagi.
Come on, man. Ulit.
Sayang. Palit. I think killfish yun. Just like that, everyone. Kiliti. Tamaan sa mata. Pangapat. With your eyes, you little piece of fucking piece of shit. Gobi.
Agobi, guys. Agobi.
Ay, hindi ko napakita yung sa akin. Sorry, everyone. Pero maliit siya na tilapia na tamaan sa mata. Dami gobi dito. Damn! Fuck! Damn it, wala na akong bait. Oy, 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 oy. Okay, ikaw na yung pinakaunang ngayon ng bait ko. Tilapot. Ano ang huli mo? 6?
O, tamaan sa mata.
6 na ang huli mo na?
7 na.
7 na? Pa? Ito pa rin ang loss na.